So I hope my voice is coming to you. And till now we have discussed this different types of statistics like wait means descriptive statistics and inferential statistics we have discussed already, and then in the last class we have discussed about the types of data. Can you tell me what are the different types of data that we have discussed in the last class? I hope my voice is coming to you, right? Is my voice coming to you properly? Okay, I think I have to call by name. Okay, Rishabh, you tell me what are the different types of data that we have discussed in the last class?
Hello, hello, sir. My voice is coming to you.
Yes.
Hello,
Now tell me what are the different types of data that we have discussed in the last class?
sir. I was not there in the last class, sir.
Okay, anyone else will tell me the different types of data that we have discussed in the last
So numerical data,
and
inferential data,
categorical?
and inferential statistics.
no, only the types of
Sorry. So categorical data.
categorical data, right? Okay, numerical data and then categorical data we have discussed. Can you give an example of numerical types of data? Numerical data example দিব পাৰিবা? What is in one particular example of numerical data?
Sir, age of a person.
Age of a person. Good. Anyone else? Numerical data example to we have discussed a lot in the last classes, and you have also given some examples, some good examples in the last assignment. So you can cite 10 here. Age of age of persons, that is a good example. Anyone else would like to give some more examples on this? What about weight of persons? Is it categorical or numerical?
Sir, numerical.
Numerical. Okay. One example for categorical. Any one example. Okay, give the example before I call by name. Study properly. I know you have got a long vacation, so I think you have not probably gone through it. Anyway, like the colors of a rainbow, that falls under what type? Numerical or categorical? Colors of a rainbow?
Sir, categorical.
Okay, this type of examples here, you should not think so much about it. There are a lot of examples you can cite. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then in the numerical data types, we have found discrete, continuous, and in the case of categorical, we have found ordinal, nominal, right? What was ordinal? Ordinal categorical variables means was values you can rank in particular range, like your grade A, B, C, like suppose high, medium, low. Okay, this where you can arrange them range wise, right? Similarly, nominal variable, what will be that? Whose you cannot rank. Like suppose colors of a rainbow, can you rank them? Can you arrange them with respect to some range? Suppose subjects. If I ask you the subjects of your current SEM, what are the subjects you have?
Machine learning and
Some machine
IoT.
learning and IoT.
Machine learning and IoT. Only two subjects you have.
Yes, sir.
Can you arrange them? Or can you rank them that this is of rank 1, this is of rank 2? No, you cannot rank. Yeah, if you consider only your respect, only your respect of the IQ level or whatever it is, then you can arrange it. But there is no particular thing that with respect to which you can rank this, or there is no official type of categorical arrangement of these two subjects, right? For you, both the subjects are mandatory. You have to appear for them. So this falls under what type of variables? Ordinal or nominal? Ordinal or nominal? What will be that?
Nominal.
Nominal. Sweta said nominal. Anyone else? क्या होगा ये? Ordinal होगा या nominal होगा? बोलो.
Sir, nominal.
Nominal. Okay. From the boys' side, you say something whether it is ordinal or nominal. Come on, quick.
Nominal, sir.
Nominal. Okay, the verses you are right, and the girls you are right, because this is nominal. You cannot rank them, right? So you have to think the examples like that. You have to bring your own examples here. Okay, now coming to the today's discussion, measures of central tendency. जैसे हमें कहो central tendency, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? What actually we mean by the term central tendency? The one which can represent the others. Okay, center, right? So similarly, when we talk about the different types of data, we have to have some way by which we can say that this is the data, or this is the data point which can represent the other, or this is the center of this data set. So for that, we have different types of measure. Let's study them. Okay, so measures of central tendency means a measure of central which gives an idea of the centrality of data, means what is the center of your data. And there are different terms associated with them, like mean, median, and mode. So mean is the only average of all the numbers. Means suppose you have 10 students. Okay, you have weight like 10 students having weights like number 1 student has say 60 kg, and number 2 has say 55, 50. So in this way, you have 10 different values of weights for the 10 different students. Then if I ask you what is the mean weight, then how will you find it? বুজি পাইছা মই কি কৈছো, কি প্ৰশ্ন সুধিছো তোমালোকক? যে 10জন ষ্টুডেন্ট আছে, 10জন ষ্টুডেন্টৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ weight আছে, right? 10টা weight পালা. So যদি মই সুধো what is the mean weight, तो mean weight क्या होगा इसमें? Anyone? कैसे find out करोगे आप? How will you find it out?
Sir, গোটেই কেইজন ষ্টুডেণ্টছৰ ৱেইটখিনি প্লাছ কৰি যিমান কেইজন ষ্টুডেণ্ট আছে ডিভাইড কৰি দিব লাগিব।
Very good. So that is the answer, right? So we'll take the average of those weights. So when data contain outliers, then finding mean and using in any kind of these things will be difficult, because the outliers, what is outlier? First of all, let me give you an example. Say there are 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 8, 9, 10. Number kita gompala? What I have said?
Yes, sir.
1,
Yes, sir.
2. So all of you, please concentrate and have a look at the example that I'm going to cite. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. A number kini, these numbers are visible to you? Dekhi paya asa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at these numbers carefully and tell me what is odd you can see here.
700.
700, sir. 700.
Okay. All will agree that 700 is kind of odd. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you tell me why this is odd? One by one. Okay, not all at a time, one by one. Why you think that this 700 is odd in this data set? Is a data set? This is a data set, right? Data set of how many numbers? 10 numbers, right? Now you all said that 700 looks odd in this data set. Now, give me
Yes,
one
sir.
reason. Yes, please continue.
Sir, because every number is 1 digit and 700 is 3-digit number.
10 is there, which is of 2 digit.
2 digit. Yes, sir. 10 is 2 digit, but 700 is 3 digit.
700 is digit. Okay, good try. Next.
Hello, sir.
Aqua.
Sir, গোটেইকেইটা 1 ৰ পৰা 6 লৈকেটো serial wise আছে আৰু 8, 9, 10 ও serially আছে, but 700 টো serialত নপৰে, so odd হ'ব.
700 to serial number. Very good. Okay, next. Come on, be quick with the answer, whatever the answer you are going to.
700 is a large number than others present in the dataset.
Okay, 700 is larger than the other numbers. Okay, good. Next. Come on, quick.
So in this data set, sir, each element is differ by 1, and between 6 and 7, and there is vast difference.
There is vast difference. Very good. Okay, next. Anyone else would like to answer this question? Any guess? Okay, then. Only few students left who have not answers, like Resab and someone and these students. Okay, they will try next time. But for this first questions, all of you have answered correctly. In fact, I have got different reasons why we can cite 700 as odd in this data set. As odd means looks different in this data set, right? Someone said that 700 is of 3 digits. She's also right, correct. Someone said that the difference between 6 and this 700 is vast. And then someone said that these numbers are not consecutive. Right, you all are right. So when you look at this data set, this is of only 10 data points. You quickly determine that something is odd with respect to this data point. All of you are agree, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this 700 with respect to this data set will be known as outlier. What I have said, outlier. Okay. Remember this term, outlier. So this means what? You can consider this as a noise. Noise. Have you heard this term before? Noise to khuna paisa agote shabdo tu noise. What is that noise means? नॉइस का मतलब ये है कि दैट जो नॉर्मल डाटा पॉइंट्स है उसमें कुछ अलग से वो बिहेव कर रहा है एंड दैट इज नॉट यूजफुल फॉर आवर करंट ऑब्जर्वेशंस सपोज साउंड नॉइस okay in this classroom suppose in this platform if we are discussing something but some noises appear some unwanted voices coming then what term we will use for that noise ঠিক আছে? So different types of data, either it is, audio is also kind of data, video is also kind of data, this text is also kind of data. So those data which are not wanted for the current observation is known as noise. Do not forget this definition. What is the definition of noise? I just cited. Similarly, the 700 here is an outlier. Okay, because if we plot this data, যদি আমি এই data বিলাকক plot কৰো, তেন্তে আমি কি পাম? Is 700 is far away from the other data points. And why I'm saying this to you, because this outlier detection is very, very important in case of any machine learning based observation. Because we don't want to consider outlier for our investigation or for our study. Because if outlier presence, then that will divert, or means that will change the final result of the observation. Suppose तुमालुकर मैं जितु example जो मैंने example दिया था आप लोग को लिए कौन सा था weights का 10 students का weight, तो आप लोग का weight generally क्या हो सकता है 50 something, someone maybe 45 50 to 60, right? ऐसा ही हो सकता है कुछ? All of you are agree? इस
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
40 और 60 से आउट ऑफ रेंज कोई है क्या इस क्लास में? तो मान लेता हूँ 70 तक हो सकता है, राइट? बट अगर कोई बोल देगा कि 120 kg और कोई बोल देगी कि 30 kg, so I'm not going to agree with that. ऐसा हो सकता है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, जैसे कृष्णांगी का weight कितना है? 120. So all of you are going to agree or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's
No,
it.
sir.
So मैं अगर बोल दिया 120, तो 120 हमारा जो ऑब्जर्वेशन होगा उसके लिए होगा एक आउटलायर. आप लोग जैसे we are human beings, we can easily detect, but don't forget that we are learning machine learning, right? We will just feed the data, the algorithm will detect automatically that who will be the outlier and who are the normal data. So ये आउटलायर जैसे 120 आ गया, तो इसका अगर आप एवरेज निकालोगे, मीन निकालोगे, तो वैल्यू विल बी डिफरेंट. क्योंकि आप क्या करोगे, you will sum up those 10 values where 120 is odd or outlier, and because of this 120 the average weight will be different or far beyond from the actual one. So our main aim is that whenever we go for this type of observation, we try to find out the outlier and we try to extract it out from our data set so that we can get some good results. Got it? So that's why I have said that if outlier is there, then to find the mean is a kind of difficult thing. I hope now the concept of outlier, noise, and mean is clear to all of you. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, this example I am citing here, but that will be done for practical. One day we'll keep practical and we will go for that. Okay. Now look at the other part, that is median. Now, what is median? Median is the center value after sorting all the numbers. Remember the sentence. It is a center value after sorting all the numbers. If the total number is even, then it's average of the center two values. It does not depend on or affected the outliers till half of the data does not become outliers. तो मीडियन क्या है? आपके पास जो नंबर्स दिया गया हुआ है, और वो नंबर्स को आप क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट यू विल अरेंज देम, यू विल सॉर्ट देम. You know that what is sort, what is the sorting mean? आप लोगों ने पहले,
Yes, sir.
हाँ, good. Algorithm पढ़ा होगा, insertion sort, bubble sort, selection sort, this type of quick sort. These algorithms you have already got in your computer algorithm paper, right? So before finding out the median, what you will do? You will find out that means you will employ one sorting algorithm to sort the numbers, and after that, whenever the values are sorted, then you just pick the middle point or center point. If it is odd, it is very okay, means okay. If it is even, you will take the average of center two values. ठीक है sir? So average of center two values means if even, suppose 10, What will be the average then? Mr. Median point. If there are 10 points, then there are 10 data points, then what will be the median in that case? Confused? Wait, let me then write it for you. Okay. Let me take these 4 numbers. So when numbers you need a kappaisa?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
many, how many numbers here?
4.
4.
4. So moi jodi khudu yat median ki hobo, then what will be the median here?
12
12
plus
plus
14.
14 by 2.
14.
Okay. 12 plus 14 by 2. If I ask you, suppose, what will be the median of this? That is,
12.
12.
is it right? Ebilake bhul kori aha tomaluke. 12 hobo yat. মই তো
আচ্ছা 12.
মই হেতু কানে কৈছিলো লাইন টু ভালকে মন দিবা এটু কেনেকে উলিয়াবা all of you plus first take a screenshot of this or write down and then you will answer it. I told you that what is the wrong with your answer, can you tell me? Because you have not sorted the numbers. Are the numbers sorted here? 11 के बाद 16 आ गया, 16 के बाद 12 आ गया, 12 के बाद 14 15 ये sorted है क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो फर्स्ट क्या करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को? इसको सॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
गॉट इट? ठीक है, तो अभी median
Yes,
क्या
sir.
मिल रहा है आपको?
14.
14.
तो पहले भूल गए थे. Okay, don't commit this type of mistake. So medians means first. I already told you that you need to employ one sorting algorithm. Agar you are a human being, you can arrange like it. But whenever this is the case of machines, then you have to employ some algorithm. Employ some simple algorithm like insertion sort. आप employ कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Bubble sort भी अच्छा है. तो ये algorithm sort करके ये value मिलेगा. और उसके बाद आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसका जो मिडल पॉइंट है ये लेना होगा. ये होगा आपका मीडियन. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, coming to the next.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me clear this first. Now, next is mode. Mode represents the most frequent observation in a numeric variable. To find the mode, we do not have a function, but you forget it. I will discuss this in the practical class. So mode kya hai? Mode represents the most frequent observation in a numeric variable. Now, a class assignment for you that you have to complete within 10 minutes. So what I have said, a class assignment for you that you have to complete within the coming 15 minutes. And what is that? You will analyze this mean, median, and mode, and you will tell me with example what are the differences between them. Means what are the differences between mean, median, and mode. Is my question okay for all of you? Have you got my question what I have asked?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know the class is of 1 hour duration. You already got the mail. So what you will do for the next 10 to 15 minutes, you will complete this, you will write this, you will post in our official group. Okay. So with that, I'm ending today's lecture.
Sir, in official group.
In the official group.
Sir,
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
you
Okay,
just
sir.
write like that. Class assignments after class assignment. Today's date is what you can write and then post it. Okay, but with your ID or name. So I hope that whatever the topics that I have discussed today is understood by everyone. Can I assume so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let me take the attendance. Today is 18.
कहाँ पे लिखा पेज 2 लिख देना जहाँ पे लिखा सी लिखना है ना
Just a minute. Let me take the attendance, then we will discuss. Okay, roll number 1. Vivek absent. Gaurav. Arfif.
Present, sir.
Gauri Shankar. Devasis.
Present, sir.
Abhishek.
present sir
Malairas. Aruna. Arkit. Upaisha. Jimmy.
Present, sir.
Mark. Mark absent, right? Nitish. Conjurit.
Present, sir.
Aditya. Sweta.
Present, sir.
Rishabh.
Present, sir.
Homen.
Present, sir.
Ashish. Krishnangi.
Present, sir.
Manish. Krisha.
Present, sir.
Sanchita.
Present, sir.
Sorry. And then Bhaskar.
Present, sir.
Priyanku. Rajdeep. Midhu Pawan. Bhaskar Jyoti. Anirban.
Present, sir.
Abu. Okay, that's all. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.